guys, this is Chef Sharifa alongside
Chef Hawa.
So today we are making a Christmas chef's Akameza at 7 secondary instance. We are going to make pilao, which is the beef pilao. That's our beef. Sorry,
We have cooked it for 1 hour. You can do it at home. We have our onions here. We soak the rice, remove excess starch.
Salad, whole kachumbari. It's onions and sliced tomatoes, everything. Sauce, pilao masala, cumin and salt. Then the cooking oil.
We put in our oil. I'll put the beef first.
The stock of the beef, you don't need to fry it. You can keep it and make a gravy, or keep it and add it when you're making the rice. The tomatoes.
Our beef in oil to brown a bit, but do not over brown it because it will be like very dry and hard. So at this stage we can put our onions and we let them to brown.
So our pilao is very simple to make, very simple. You just in the beef. You can actually do plain pilao if you want. You just ignore the beef part. You put onions and the rice and the spices. Pilao is something I like making all the time. Something I make maybe for lunch, dinner, and I can serve it with a salad or a stew, and maybe avocado. Avocado also goes well with pilao. Children love pilao so much.
And it's always good to change the meals. Like as we are growing up, we're used to eating white rice. So if it's Christmas season, make them pilao. Let them enjoy it. Our onions, they are browned. The beef as well. You can see the color. This is going to make a very good pilao.
I'm going to put some pilao masala, some cumin.
This is going to give me color.
And some salt, some soy sauce, black pepper. We are adding the grated tomatoes, some bay leaves into our rice.
And well, this is the color I needed.
You add water according to the rice you have.
And this is our final beef pilao. Wow, look at it, guys. So yummy. I can't wait. The rice itself is not so dry, so it's time to plate. This is our pilao, and the pilao we've made, it was 1 kg, and it can serve like a family of 6 to 7 people.
Our kachumbari, we are going to put a little lemon to enhance flavors. On the side, let everyone likes the kachumbari, so you can't try it. You can't try it on top of the food. In case someone doesn't like it, they'll just ignore it. Just put it on the side. But some people don't even like no onions. We are going to put some avocado.
And we're good to go.
You guys, you can't tell me this is so hard. No, it's
Not at all.
So
So it's time to dig in. Look at that color. So thank you guys for being part of this journey, as we're showing you how to cook this pilao, how to serve it and everything. So if you want to learn more of these, how we cook stuff and everything at home, join us at 7 Culinary Institute, located at Ntinda Stretcher Road,
opposite the new market, or follow our social media platforms.
and intake is going on. Thank you. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.